the sound that we have heard from the sun. Which is this planet, guys? Obviously, Earth. No, we might hear even you also talking. Which is this planet? So this was captured by Voyager 1. India's first Mars mission in the year 2030. The first to land on the moon, South Pole. Aditya L1, India's first space-based solar observatory. Gaganyaan, a future space mission.
It will be a constant endeavor in the years to come to provide the peaceful uses of outer space for the real problems.
Homi J. Bhabha,
The father of Indian nuclear program.
The immense concentration of atomic energy has made possible other developments whose immediate results have been less happy and which have placed a pall of fear over the peoples of the world. I refer, of course, to the development of atomic and hydrogen bombs. A widespread atomic power industry in the world will necessitate an international society in which the major states have agreed to maintain peace.
S.K. Mitra, Meghanan Saha,
Known for ionization equation, his major work. And that is C.V. Raman, known for works in light scattering spectroscopy.
A.P.J. Abdul Kalam,
Missile man of India. Let's do a big round of applause for everyone. Their contributions are the building blocks of ISRO. So this is Nike Apache, the first sounding rocket under the chairmanship of Vikram Sarabhai, under the chairmanship of Satish Dhawan, the indigenous facility.
You know why we love it? Because
horns of ISRO, the PSLV. So the first operational flight of LVM-3. This is used for nano, micro and mini satellites.
Neil Swami Nadara,
So the moon man of India,
P. Veeramuthube,
the project director of Chandrayaan-3 mission.
Ritu Kanikar, Dr. N. Valarmati, S. K. Shivakumar, U. R. Ram,
It needs 8 minutes to reach the earth, the light to reach the earth.
Because light is not infinite speed, yes? Very good, very good. Amazing. Please, next one. A light year. What is a light year?
Time like
See, very good, very good. Please, next one.
at the moon.
Hers was the closest answer. Any other perspective from someone here? I'll come back there. I'll definitely come back there. Any other perspective here?
A rocket is a machine which is sent by the institution. The satellite is the thing which will be in the space forever and do its job and come back.
Very good, very good. Satellite is a payload for the rocket. Rocket is the launch vehicle and satellite. It was launched in 2013, but it extended its lifetime and it got retired in 2022. So how many of you know there is an International Space Station? Wow. International Space Station, does it belong to India or is it a collaboration of majority of the countries? Collaboration. Does India plan to have our own space station? And do you know the name? It is tentatively named as Bharat Antariksh Space Station. Bharat Antariksh Station is going to get underway in 2028, hopefully. A round of applause. I think you're holding popcorn in hands. I'll not ask for that. So the current
So according to Einstein's law, how is the earth not crashing into the sun?
Okay, Earth not crashing into sun. See, according to Einstein, so the entire space and time is kind of a rubber sheet, fabric. Okay, so there is a big massive object in the form of sun which is kind of creating a curve. And Earth is falling into the gravitational well of the sun, which is a massive object. And similarly, moon is falling into the gravitational well of the earth. Because if you put a massive object on a stretched rubber sheet, it kinds of create a curve. So based on that curve, it takes an elliptical orbit, and the earth keeps rotating and revolving around the sun.
So my name is Shriya. What would happen to the earth if it didn't have moon?
Okay, that's an interesting question. So, you see tidal waves that is being formed on the oceans, that would be different. So, moons play an important role in the form in having tides. So, that is one of the interesting things about moon.
But sorry, it is 100 tons on average. All these meteorites are broken pieces of asteroids and comets, and there are so many of them, millions and millions of them in space, and they all rain on our planet like this. But most of them burn in the stratosphere. Okay. Ocean, sea, very good. See, sunlight is there, otherwise we won't see the moon if there is no sunlight. Ocean, yes, please next one. Deep, very good, deep.
I am Keshav Arvind of 7C, and I am here to talk about the Astronomy Expo that everyone took us on to PVR INOX. I'm here to talk about the Q&A session with a real scientist from NASA. It was a great experience to actually interact with a real scientist from NASA and a student, both of whom answered all our questions. And I will be eagerly awaiting when they come to the school to answer our further questions about everything space related and so on. The Innonxt team and everything that they did was actually really good, and I really enjoyed it a lot. The 3D movie was great, all of the explanation was good, and everything was just really good. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Paranjya Rashar and I'm from class 7-3. So firstly, I'm very grateful to all the people to organize this Astronomy Expo 1.0. So the most interesting and astonishing fact of the session was of the 3D show. So firstly, we were provided with the 3-dimensional glasses or 3D glasses. So the show was mainly on how the universe was formed, who were the first species on Earth, and how did the dinosaurs get extinct. So for the conclusion, I'm thankful to all the people who organized this event. Thank you.
Hello everybody, my name is Varadra Jambasini. I am from class 5C. Today I am going to tell about the show. In the third section called the Skywatch, we saw all the planets, the sun and their orbits through a telescope. We also learned their facts and everything. We also got to know about the famous scientists like Galileo Galilei and Aryabhatta. And we learnt about the importance of India and how we should respect it. They told that Aryabhatta learned this 1500 years before humans knew that there was a solar system and other planets also. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. My name is Amskanda Bharadwaj. I am studying in 6th standard A section. Today we went to Astronomy Expo 1.0 organized by a school. It was fantastic as they taught us facts which were not known by us till this day. My father also introduced me little about my Earth, but I didn't know these facts which were told in the Astronomy Expo. They allowed us to interact in the conversation and ask questions related to astronomy. I felt it was really wonderful because they managed all the students with only 7 questions to be asked. And it was very nice as the 3D show, which was very fantastic and made us know how the Earth is formed and the earliest creatures on Earth. The living beings on Earth really is fantastic because some of them exist to this day, but animals like dinosaurs got exhausted, and they also told about the decline of the Earth in 2.5 million years.